Alright, what's up guys, Ethan here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut out your grill for your billet overlay. I'm kind of just going to cut out this pony right here. It'll look pretty good, so I'm going to get started. I had a Dremel, but it was too shallow, so I'm going to be using a jigsaw. Alright. So as you can see, I cut out most of the pony. I did leave these two, this row here and this row here, for the grill to be able to stick on. So let's see what it looks like from the front. I might clean this up a little bit. Cut out that top part. Might look good. So I can leave it at that, but I'm gonna grab my Dremel with a sanding wheel on it, and I'm just gonna sand down these corners to make it a little cleaner. Probably not gonna see it, but it might look better. Do is mount these. These are for the halos on the headlights, or the fog lights. Okay, so that doesn't look that bad. Looks good. I'm gonna stick the bolt through the hole like that. So you can see it popping out this way. So I'm gonna have to hold this bolt in while I put this backing plate on, and then this nut on after that. Oh. So grab this. Looking at it, looks good. Alright, it's all done. Can't see the pony anymore. Looks good. I'm gonna take some pictures before and afters. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned. If you did, rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all later. Peace.